welcome to my channel. My name is Hetty and this is Quick Latte. Today I'm going to share with you how to start shooting food videos for Instagram. I know it can get a little bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, after you watch this video, you'll feel a little bit more confident. My first tip is to set up your camera before you start doing anything. You want to make sure that you take into consideration the natural light that is coming from your window, but also consider that throughout the day, this light might change. So before you even start preparing the food, you need to make sure that your whole setup is ready. It is also helpful to decide if you're going to do a 45-degree angle, if you're going to shoot at multiple angles, or you're going to do top-down angle. So you want to set all these up and make sure that you know what you're doing before you even go into the kitchen.
As you can see here, I've already decided how I'm going to shoot this video. I've already set up a white backdrop and I've decided that I'm using a top-down angle to start shooting this video.
The second step is to prepare your mise en place. You want to prepare all the ingredients that it's going to go into your dish.
As you can see, I've already prepared all the ingredients for my video.
I really recommend to start easy. Don't try to make like a very complicated food on your first video. Try to do something simple like oatmeal or smoothies are super simple to start with. Trust me, you want to start simple, and once you start getting better and knowing your camera, knowing your angles, and knowing how to basically work with your camera, then you can start making harder videos or videos that require more steps. This brings me to the next tip. Before you even decide to put your camera on and start doing your mise en place, I think it's very good to write down the exact steps that you're going to fill. That way you know exactly what's gonna go into your food. Sometimes I like to do a little sketch of how my video I want it to look like, what vibe I'm going for. So that way I know exactly what to shoot or what to prepare. Another tip that is very important, and I didn't realize when I first started doing it, videos take a lot of storage. So what you want to do is basically only shoot the sections that's going to go into your video. That way it's so much easier. That way you'll end up with like 1 or 2 minutes of footage, and all you have to do is add into your iMovie or any other software that you're using, and it's just so much simpler to edit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've never done food videography, I know it can get overwhelming, but trust me, you're going to get so much better and you're going to end up loving it as much as I do. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you next week.